Very, very clean 22R there. You guys heard it running. It just needs to warm up and then she'll get going. But somebody really cared about this car. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MDTY079. This is a 1983 Toyota Celica ST. Very, very cool car. We actually picked this thing up out of Florida, and surprisingly, it's still kind of rusty. Do a walk around here. Everything you guys see on this bad boy will be listed for sale. We are going to get the aftermarket tint off of these side markers. We know those are very valuable. Same deal with the taillights. Aftermarket XXR wheels, we'll get those off and check them out.
No tires.
Yeah, tires are smoked. Nice rear bumper, OEM taillights back there, we'll get the spray tint off of those. This is what totaled it out. Totally fixable, but title issues as always. Let me go ahead and fire this up and then we'll take a listen to the motor. Oh, she likes a little bit of revving. She's carbureted. There we go, running well. This is a 22R. Let's see if we can get it warmed up. Oh, come on, baby, idle. All right, let's test out the transmission here. Forward. I'm guessing where reverse is going to be at. Yep, reverse engages as well. Let's see if she can find an idle yet. Warm up, baby, come on. Almost. We'll get it warm enough to idle. There she goes. Maybe. Oh well. You guys heard it running there. I'm gonna step out of this bad boy so we can check out the interior. Actually, I'll show you that motor first. We're not gonna. What?
Probably got Florida summer gas and it doesn't have Ohio wind.
Yeah, it's got summer gas from Florida in it. There it is, the 22R. That's what was rattling. The Edelbrock air cleaner lid fell off there. Very, very clean 22R there. You guys heard it running. It just needs to warm up and then she'll get going. But somebody really cared about this car. This is why we're not fixing it though. She's got rust in some weird areas up there. Check out this interior here. This is a nice leather seat set or vinyl, whatever you want to call it. Pleather. Gonna be selling these front and rear. Show off the rear there. Cluster is in great condition. The interior switches all work. Obviously, like glove box is no good. Door panels are gonna be good. I'm gonna tear apart this console setup and get that all listed for sale. Oh man, this was a sad one. We got a bunch of good chrome trim on this. At least it can be cleaned up and reused. We're going to tear this thing all the way down and find everything that's good on it, get it all listed for sale for you guys. That is going to wrap up MDTY079. That was our 1983 Toyota Celica ST 22R 5-speed manual car. If you guys are looking for any parts off of this vehicle, they will be listed for sale on our website, www.jnjautoracking.com. Or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.